Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to turn off power saving mode on Samsung. So in order to turn off power saving mode on Samsung, you need to follow these steps. So basically what you need is access settings on your device. So when you open the settings app, then what you need is here on this field, you want to go ahead and look for battery. There it is. So there you have these battery. So there I have battery saver. So you just need to toggle the button for these, and when you toggle the button for these, you could then go ahead and disable other options as well likewise, and then you have successfully turned off the power saving mode on Samsung. And likewise, you can also swipe down from the top of the screen twice to reveal the power saving mode. You could just go ahead and swipe to the left, and there you have these battery share, or you could also go ahead and see this option as power saving mode. You could just simply disable that option from the page as well, and that is how it works. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.